Okay, here we are. Here's a little quick video. This is the Arduino prop controller. There's the Arduino. That's the relay board that'll control the motors for the haunted ride. There's the MP3 player. This is the power supply, but it's not the one I'm going to be using. This thing sits behind the people on the coffin ride. This is an improved speaker cabinet. It's not painted yet. The sound comes out through here. And this is the ambient track. This is last year's track. And this year's is going to be a little different. I'm going to trigger this. This gets up to a switch.
Welcome to our haunted estate. Please sit quietly as we tour through the grounds.
This is the amplifier that will be being used.
Careful.
It has tone controls and
The ghosts have arrived.
has inputs over
What's
here.
this? Don't worry. I don't think it bites very hard. Ah, here we are in the courtyard.
I built that amplifier.
Garden wall. But things are not always as they seem.
I'm thinking about putting this guy on there or another head like him, just right here in the middle, sitting right there.
It looks like others have been hanging around here as well.
So anyway, Arduino thing seems to be really good.
Some miscellaneous.
So that light there indicates that that's the relay that's on to turn on the motor. Anyway, there it is. It's coming together.